So, you guys, it took me a minute to get these brows right, but I'm digging it, because this right here, yes. So, we're going to be going in with the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to have this exact name up on the screen. It is the perfect palette because I think it was the Sylvia Gani palette. Yes, I love this palette because, for one, it is like a fall vibe, neutral, and it has some Libra vibes in this palette, and October vibes. It's definitely my birthday month, so I was like, yes, I had to use that. I'm gonna take the black, and I'm gonna take the LA Colors Peach palette. This palette is so good. Like, this palette has his hits and misses, but it is a good palette. I like the fact that some of the palettes are, the shades in the palette is very like pigmented, and you can use it versatile wise, but it just depends on the skin tone. Sometimes too, it may show up nice on another skin tone compared to my skin tone, but I currently feel like this orange that I'm using to blend out this dark brown or black does the trick. So I kind of, you know, did a little bit too much of blending, so I'm just going to go back in with that black shade, and I'm going to add the black right back into the crease. So, how are you guys today? I just want to know. Then I went back and forth with the colors and just kind of make sure everything looked good. And with my favorite concealer, which is from LA Colors, which is their concealer. And I'm just going to be cutting it up to the part where I applied the brown shade. The dark, the reason why I'm saying the brown shade, because on camera it looks brownish, but then in person it looks black. So it really does. Like, it's crazy. But it's a very great transition shade. But I'm going to be applying the LA Colors concealer, and I'm going to be cutting the crease. Once we apply the concealer, now we're going to be setting the concealer with the BH actually no, this is the ABH powder and peach, and then I went back and kind of cleaned up a couple of areas where I did not like. You know, you got to clean it up a tad bit, and then I kind of wipe away a couple of extra going on. Then I went in with my palette. Yes, sis. This is where the magic gonna, you know, happen. This is the beginning step of the look. I'm going to be taking the lime green. Look at that green. You can't tell me that green ain't popping. I'm going to be applying it to the lid. And I'm going to apply it actually to the inner corner and halfway to the crease. Actually, no, to the middle of the eye. And then after that, I'm going to be taking out of my palette the light purple, and I'm going to be applying it next to the green. I'm going to be taking the hot pink after I apply the light purple, and then I'm going to be going in with a darker purple and kind of like blend each one together. Make sure you don't overlap it too much, but just add enough. Then I'm going to make sure I just go back over each shade and reblend, because it's definitely important to do so. e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeliner, cream eyeliner in black, which I love. The creamiest, most affordable eyeliner that you can get at any place in the world at this point. e.l.f. is really everywhere, which I'm kind of surprised. But I'm going to be taking that. Usually I don't even go for eyeliners. I'm going to be taking it and I'm going to be applying it to the upper lash line. And then I'm going to be applying the eyelashes. My eyelashes from Labrights Cosmetics in Shay. Those are the lashes that I'm using, and that'll be the completed look. Look, you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know in the comments below what other colors would you like to see, and I gotta go and I'll chat with you soon.